Hello and welcome to the Opinionated Observer. The Supreme Court has upheld the Native American adoption protections. We're going to watch this video. It's about 90 seconds, and then I'll give you my opinion on it.
Breaking news from the Supreme Court and a major decision for the Native American community. I want to bring in NBC News correspondent Julia Ainsley outside the Supreme Court. Walk us through this ruling, Julia.
This is one we haven't been watching as closely, but it's incredibly interesting. At the heart of this case is a question of an adoption of a Native American child. There was a couple in Texas, a foster family, who wanted to adopt the child, but that would have been in violation of a 1978 Welfare Act that would keep children, Native American children, within their tribes. It's trying to make up for history of children being taken out of their tribes. And the tribes argued, 5 tribes in this case argued, that if that child left, they would be completely undermining that law. And the Supreme Court sided with the tribes, upheld the Welfare Act, and said that the child should be adopted by the tribes. Usually a child would go to the best fit family, but in the case of a Native American child, they should stay within their tribes. That would be the preference. That's what 7 of the justices said in the majority opinion. We still are watching for more opinions as this session eventually draws to a close, and we will still waiting on 20 opinions. We'll be back out here tomorrow waiting for more, especially.
Okay, that's basically the gist of the case. I think it's time for that law to be repealed myself. One, the practice of taking Native American children all out of a tribe and essentially adopting them out to white people is essentially dead and buried. It's a product of the past. But here's the bigger thing. You're taking a child out of an obviously loving home with people that love him. Because if you don't love a child, you don't go to the trouble to adopt it. That being said, you're taking him out of a loving home and most likely placing him in a community where drug addiction and alcoholism and hopelessness are rampant. I'm not saying that Native Americans can't be perfectly loving adoptive parents. But let's be honest, look at the state of your average person on a reservation. It is miserable. It's deplorable. I just think in this one case, I think this particular case, the court made the wrong decision. That's my opinion. All right, this is Dave Nordahl of the Opinionated Observer. Please hit the like, share, subscribe button, smash the bell for notifications, and we'll see you all on the next one.